Have you ever imagined making money while you sleep? Not by some overhyped scheme, but by using artificial intelligence to build a real, automated, and sustainable digital income stream. Today, I am going to show you how I created a passive income system using AI and how you can too. What I am about to share is not theoretical. This is a step-by-step blueprint anyone can follow, even without technical expertise. It is limiting. You are always exchanging hours for income. One where systems can do the creation, marketing, and delivery without you being present every moment. Most people are stuck in the time for money trap, freelancing, doing client work, or working a 9-to-5 job. But artificial intelligence opens a different door. The first step is selecting a digital product that you can create once and sell repeatedly. Some of the best options include a Notion template, an ebook, a mini course, a digital planner, AI-generated art bundles, printables, or swipe files for specific audiences. Choose something that solves a specific problem or saves time for a specific group. Example, a Notion dashboard for freelance writers. Once you decide on a product, use AI tools to help build it. Use ChatGPT to ideate product features and generate content. Use Canva AI to design beautifully branded assets. Use Tome AI or SlideSci to build course presentations. Use Notion AI to structure and organize content. You do not need to be a writer or a designer. AI handles the technical part. Your job is to curate and personalize. To sell your product, you need a clean, persuasive landing page. Here's how AI helps. Use ChatGPT to write compelling copy, headlines, benefit bullets, frequently asked questions. Use Durable AI or Framer AI to generate entire websites. Use Mixo.io for quick one-page product launches. This process takes less than an hour and looks completely professional. Marketing is where most people struggle, but again, AI can automate it. Use Ocoya or Copy AI to generate Instagram and Twitter posts. Use Beehiiv plus ChatGPT to write email newsletters. Use Zapier to connect your lead magnet to an email sequence. Now your system captures leads, educates them, and promotes your product even while you are asleep. I have spent less than 5 hours setting it all up, and it continues to bring in passive income every month. Finally, use platforms like, with the tools available in 2025. Anyone can create a passive income system using AI with minimal risk and incredible upside. Gumroad or Beehiiv for selling. Sendal for instant digital delivery. Ko-fi for bonus monetization options. Link your AI-generated sales page to this checkout system. Once live, your product can sell 24/7 with zero active effort. After launching one of my AI-assisted products, I started receiving sales within the first week. What is even better? I did not need to write a single email manually or design a single post. If you have ever wanted to escape the hustle, now is the time. This is not about replacing effort with laziness. It is about working smarter and letting machines do what they do best. Subscribe for more high-impact AI strategies. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Start automating it today.